Jenny, that's a ship. It's coming this way.
I can see Tony and Jenny. Tony, Jenny.
It's Gogo. Hello, Gogo.
Hello, Gogo. How are you? I'm fine, thanks. What are you doing?
We're swimming.
Can you climb up the ladder?
Yes, we can. I'm wet. Have you got a towel, Gogo?
Yes, I have.
Oh, I'm cold, Gogo. Thank you, Gogo.
Do you want a hat and a coat, Jenny?
Yes, please, Gogo.
Right. Let's go.
Where are we going?
Can you read a map, Tony?
Yes, I can.
Good. We're going to that island. I'm looking for treasure.
Super! Let's go!
Have you got the map, Tony?
Yes, I have. This is the beach. Those are the trees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, walk 10 steps this way.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Where's the treasure?
It's behind the tree.
I can't see the treasure. Where is it?
It's under your feet.
What can you see, Tony?
I can see a box. I can climb down the ladder.
Can you open the box, Jenny?
Yes, I can. What's in it? It's a bird.
A bird?
Can it sing?
Let's find out.
I'm a bird. My name's Big. I'm young and small. I can dance and sing. Tra-la-la, 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 tweet-tweet. Tra-la-la, 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 tweet-tweet.
You're a bird. Your name's Bing.
You're young and small. You can dance and sing. Tra-la-la, 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 tweet-tweet. Tra-la-la, 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 tweet-tweet.